The 2025 Can-Am Spyder RT and the Adidas S represent the pinnacle of innovation in their respective fields, one in the world of three-wheeled touring motorcycles and the other in cutting-edge athletic footwear. Both products showcase advancements in technology, comfort, and performance, making them highly sought after by enthusiasts and professionals alike. The 2025 Can-Am Spyder RT continues to redefine long-distance touring with its unique three-wheel design, combining the stability of a car with the open road experience of a motorcycle. With a powerful Rotax 1330 Ace engine, it delivers a smooth yet thrilling ride, ensuring that riders have plenty of power for highway cruising or winding backroads. The semi-automatic transmission and reverse capability add to its ease of use, making it an excellent choice for both seasoned riders and newcomers looking for a comfortable yet exciting adventure machine. One of the standout features of the new Spyder RT is its enhanced comfort and ergonomics. The redesigned seats are more cushioned, featuring advanced lumbar support, making long rides feel effortless. The extended floorboards provide more space for riders to adjust their foot position, reducing fatigue on extended journeys. Additionally, the improved wind protection system ensures that riders are shielded from strong gusts while maintaining a perfect balance of ventilation and aerodynamics. Technology plays a crucial role in the 2025 Can-Am Spyder RT, with a state-of-the-art infotainment system that includes a high-resolution touchscreen, GPS navigation, and Bluetooth connectivity. The seamless integration of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto allows riders to stay connected without distractions. The adaptive suspension system further enhances the ride by automatically adjusting to road conditions, ensuring maximum comfort and stability. Safety has always been a priority for Can-Am, and the latest Spyder RT is no exception. With features such as traction control, stability control, and an anti-lock braking system (ABS), it provides unparalleled confidence on the road. The updated braking system delivers responsive stopping power, while the new LED lighting system improves visibility in low-light conditions, ensuring safety during night rides. On the other side of the innovation spectrum, the Adidas S is making waves in the world of sports and fashion. Adidas has long been a leader in performance footwear, and the S model embodies the brand's commitment to pushing boundaries. Designed for both professional athletes and everyday users, the Adidas S incorporates state-of-the-art materials and technology to enhance performance, comfort, and style. The most striking feature of the Adidas S is its adaptive cushioning system. Utilizing advanced foam technology, the shoe dynamically adjusts to the wearer's movement, providing maximum support during high-impact activities such as running or jumping. This responsive cushioning reduces strain on joints, making it an excellent choice for athletes looking to improve their performance while minimizing the risk of injury. Breathability and lightweight construction are also key highlights of the Adidas S. The upper is made from a revolutionary mesh material that not only enhances airflow but also offers a snug, sock-like fit. This design ensures that the shoe remains comfortable throughout the day, whether worn for intense training sessions or casual outings. Additionally, the reinforced heel and midfoot support contribute to better stability, allowing users to move with confidence. Another major advantage of the Adidas S is its sustainability factor. Adidas has been making significant strides toward eco-friendly manufacturing, and this model incorporates recycled materials without compromising performance. The durable outsole, made from a high-traction rubber compound, provides superior grip on various surfaces, making the shoe versatile for different environments. Fashion-forward yet performance-driven, the Adidas S is designed to cater to athletes and sneaker enthusiasts alike. The sleek, modern aesthetic ensures that the shoe pairs well with both sportswear and casual attire, making it a go-to option for those who want style without sacrificing functionality. Both the Can-Am Spyder RT and the Adidas S showcase how innovation can elevate user experience. Whether it's hitting the open road on a high-performance three-wheeler or stepping into a pair of cutting-edge sneakers that enhance mobility and comfort, these products redefine their respective categories. With a focus on technology, design, and user experience, they set a new benchmark for what enthusiasts can expect in 2025.